Looking for great gifts this holiday season? Then get ready. Because in this video, I'm going to show you 10 smartest home gadgets that are not only great for personal use but also serve as great gifts for friends and family this holiday season. Hi everyone, I am Sadaf and you are watching Live Technology Smart. Starting off with number 1, we have touchless stationary vacuum. It's a smart little vacuum that sits in your kitchen or living room or wherever you have a hard floor, and it is motion activated. You don't need to move it or touch it at all. All you have to do is sweep all the dust and debris in front of this little device and it will automatically activate the cyclonic vacuum and the dirt will be sucked in just a few seconds, leaving the floor nice and clean. The powerful motor of this vacuum can even pick up kids' food from the floor or pet hair very easily, so it's perfect for pet owners and parents. Keeping device clean and ready for work is also quite simple. Its large, bagless canister doesn't require any special care, and on top of that, it is provided with a high-efficiency air filter, returning clean air to the environment. Next up, we have couch coaster. Is spilling a drink on furniture annoying to you also, especially when all you want to do is relax? Then meet this couch coaster. It is a holder for your drink that can be fixed on the arm side of your sofa and even on armchair. It not only holds your cup but also prevents anything spilling from it. This holder is designed for both hot and cold drinks and can hold any type or shape of cup, bottle or glass. Also, you don't have to worry about the couch coaster size because it's made of silicone and can fit into any shape of furniture easily. Up next, we have ceiling light. This great smart ceiling light kind of replaces your home interior lighting fixture. It's not much different from the other smart lights out there, but this one called Off Darks has some really cool features. It supports different colors, brightness and warmth levels. Everything can be set up either with an app or a voice control using Alexa or Google Assistant. You can group together up to 100 lights and control them remotely at the same time. Now here's the exciting part. It has a high-quality Bluetooth speaker having a high sound quality so you can sync your music with the lights, making yourself more immersed in the joy of music. Up next, we have LED light stab. This is another great home gadget that will let you know the temperature of your water without even touching it. All you have to do is install this smart piece of tech on top of your regular faucet and it will illuminate the water with 3 different colors. Red means hot, blue is for cold, and the green light means the comfortable temperature. This LED light is completely powered by hydroelectricity, so no batteries or charging is required. This is the type of tech that is extremely simple yet really useful. I'm certainly going to get this one for my bathroom. Moving on to the next one, we have 3D ring night light. If you're tired of your ordinary bedside desk table lamp and need some bright colors in your room, then this LED light wireframe lamp is for you. It is a light guide glass plate in actual, but looks like a real 3D lamp in the dark night. The top section reflects the light and illuminates the edged lines within the surface. It has 8 changeable color modes to match your interior perfectly. You can charge it via USB cable or plug and put it any place you like. Its entire look makes this lamp a perfect accessory and an amazing gift for your friends and family. Up next, we have Hemox Air Purifier. This air purifier by Hemox is the ultimate gadget and a perfect fit for home, office or bedrooms. It delivers a 3-stage filtration system along with a 360 air intake. It is more than enough for dealing with pet hair, smoke and dust particles, and it can cope with allergens as well. Changing the filter is just a matter of seconds and the device will automatically remind you to do that. However, it is better to replace it every 2 to 6 months depending on use and air quality. This air purifier is ultra silent. There are 3 fan speed options to choose from, and the coolest thing is that you can easily add some essential oil and use your purifier for aromatherapy. This way you can create a completely different atmosphere in your home or bedroom. Moving on to the next one, we have lamp book. Whether you are snuggling with a book, snapping a stunning photo, or creating a welcoming ambience, the right lighting is of big importance. But most lamps and lights are a bit too harsh and tethered by cords and wires. So light up your world with this LED book lamp with a beautiful multifunctional design. It is a soft illuminating light you can use anywhere, create a cozy atmosphere while you read, or set up a romantic mood for dinner. It is foldable, flexible, and fun to use, and you can open the lamp up to 360 degrees. It is lightweight, compact, and wireless, and comes with a USB cable for quick and easy charging. Up next, we have bulb humidifier. This cool mist ultrasonic humidifier is shaped like a bulb. It is transparent and has some ornamental stones and a tree. It has 7 built-in colors which automatically switch, making the atmosphere cozier. The 14 fluid ounce bulb capacity is enough to humidify the air up to 10 hours. Just connect it via USB to any power source and feel the air getting more and more moisturized. Up next, we have Mighty Mug Unbreakable Glass. Spilling a drink is a total disaster, but this Mighty Mug is an innovative barware that doesn't knock over. It grips to any smooth and solid surface such as table, desk, or a counter. It grips in case of accidental knocks, but the glass is so easy to lift whenever you need to take a sip. Also, these wine glasses and mugs are made of an unbreakable plastic, but they're as clear as glass that you won't even notice the difference. And they are even suitable for the dishwasher. That is all for today's video. I'm going to give the Amazon links of all these gadgets in the description so you can follow them if you would like to purchase any of these. If you like the video, share it with your friends and give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel to live technology smart.